We already knew platinum cotton can catalyze the combustion of hydrogen at room temperature. Catalytic conditions like those for alcohol and kerosene. Platinum cotton needs to be at a certain temperature. Hydrogen is not very convenient to obtain or store. Is there a substance that is liquid at room temperature? It can also be catalyzed by platinum combustion. The answer is yes. That is methanol. Methanol and ethanol both belong to the alcohol family. The two have some similarities in appearance and smell. Burning on a relatively pure substrate, the flames produced are difficult to detect with the naked eye. Methanol with added boric acid. The flame is green because its main combustion products are carbon dioxide and water, more environmentally friendly. It also possesses renewable energy characteristics. Therefore, some cars also use methanol as their primary fuel. This time we'll use this method to make a lighter. Choose a small stainless steel storage container. Each compartment is independent and does not affect the others. Fill it with heat-resistant cotton. It is important to note that the height of the heat-resistant cotton should be the same as the bottle opening. This is an error because they wanted to ignite a fire. There are certain requirements regarding the structure. Inject methanol into it. It should be about 2/3 full. Two compartments for storing fuel. One compartment is used to store platinum cotton. Okay, let me simulate a real-world usage scenario. A flame can be ignited with just a gentle breath. When not in use, please store the platinum cotton in an airtight container. Moisture can cause ignition failure. We just need to scorch it with a flame. This creative lighter isn't just a product of my wild imagination. Companies have been producing this product for a long time. Its name is platinum-catalyzed lighter.
Let's see that again. Just open this up, and it ignites.
In terms of ease of use, not as good as a kerosene lighter. However, it is still worth trying in terms of gameplay. I speculate that the central platinum catalyst support. It should be sintered porous ceramic. It has a significant advantage in strength.